Hello guys, thank you for joining me at Scrapping with Cynthia. Today I want to put together a vignette for Easter, and these are the materials that I'm going to be using. Look at that cute little bunny. Then I found these hand towels for your kitchen with the little rabbits on it. And look at these awesome candle holders, and they are heavy. I'm probably going to be using this black ribbon and this sequence beads, candles. This was a wedding gift so many years ago. And I have these little Easter eggs. Give you some inspiration to do something on your table or your kitchen countertop or wherever you feel necessary to put the little vignette. I'm going to be taking this little beaded ribbon and wrapping it around the eggs. I'm not going to do all of them, just a few. Okay, now that we have our eggs blinged out, we're going to change this ribbon on Mr. Bunny. I'm going to use this black shiny ribbon. He has to be blinging as well.